Entering and analyzing lists of data using the TI-Nspire and TI-Nspire apps on the iPad is fast and easy. Here in the home screen, let's start a new TI-Nspire document by tapping the plus icon in the upper left corner and adding List and Spreadsheet. The List and Spreadsheet workspace opens with the TI-Nspire keyboard at the bottom. Let's start by naming our columns. Double-tap the cell next to the letter A at the top of column A. I'll switch to the alphanumeric keyboard by tapping the ABC button just above the keyboard on the left side. We'll call this one Age by typing A-G-E, and then pressing Return. Now double-tap the cell next to the letter B at the top of column B, and we'll call this column Height by typing H-E-I-G-H-T, and then pressing Return. Now we can enter our data. I'll double-tap cell A1 and press the F of X button just above the keyboard on the left side to switch back to the TI-Nspire keyboard, and then enter the first age. I'll press 5 and then the Enter key to move to cell A2. Now I'll finish entering my age data the same way, pressing the ages and then Enter after each one. I'll enter 10, 14, and 16. I'll touch and drag in the list to scroll back up to the top, and then double-tap cell B1 to enter my heights in inches. Now I'll enter 40, 51, 62, and 70. Let's create a scatter plot to analyze our data by adding a Data and Statistics page. Press the plus icon in the upper left corner of the screen and choose Data and Statistics from the Add Page to Document section of the menu. Notice you can see both pages on the left side. Tap the text at the bottom of the screen to display possible variables to plot along the x-axis, and choose the age variable. The data rearranges to the bottom of the page. Now tap the text on the left side of the graph to open the variables again, and this time choose height to plot those values along the y-axis. And there's our scatter plot. We can use a movable line to better analyze our graph. Tap the wrench icon just above the graph to open the Tools menu and choose Analyze. Add Movable Line. You'll see the line appear as well as the equation for the line. To translate the line, touch and hold it in the center of the graph and then drag it. To rotate the line, touch and hold it on one of the edges of the line and then drag. We can also plot a regression for this data. Tap that wrench icon again. Notice that we're already on the Analyze menu within Tools, since that's the last menu we used. Here in Tools, Analyze, choose Regression, and then select your regression model. I'll use the linear regression model A plus BX by choosing Show Linear A plus BX to see that line. Now I can use my movable line, regression, and scatter plot to further analyze my data.